Hello friends, welcome to Lohisha Media. My name is Ravi Shankar. Today I am going to cover the topic of HVAC components. Okay, before that, if you are not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe. And if you like the content, please share it. And if anything you want to discuss with me, please write in the comment box. Okay, now these HVAC components, why these components are required? Because without these components, the HVAC, the system, the concept will not work. Because HVAC is called heating, ventilation and air conditioning, so and refrigeration also. For this HVAC concepts we require various components to achieve the process. Okay, what are all the components required for the HVAC? Normally this HVAC, we know that heating, ventilation and air conditioning concept. Why this HVAC is required in the industries or any other malls? Mainly on climate control. Okay, who require this climate control? Because two persons required. One is humans, the second one is any object or any substance. Okay, the humans and objects required is climate control. Why this climate control is required? Because human required some temperatures, some RH to maintain that RH, and some other clean air systems. Same like that, the object required storage. Okay, this object required some same concept of climate control to maintain the aging for the product or any object and to ensure that object is in the clean condition. Okay, now we are going to discuss on these components. For this purpose, first of all you take this heating. Okay, this for heating, what we require, I want to maintain a temperature. If you go to any cold countries, there the temperature will be in minus degrees or any in lower temperatures. Okay, there they will prefer for heaters. Okay, in that heaters means I want the temperature up to normal temperature around 22, 23, 26 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is the human comfort temperature. There I required heaters. Okay, one thing is heater is required. Why this heater is required means to change the environmental temperature conditions and to maintain. One is for temperature and one is for RH, humidity control. Okay, this is one purpose. Okay, the second thing is, suppose a heater is not available. The heater is only for the domestic purpose. If you take in industries, for machineries or any other product required more heat, at the time the heater will not work. Okay, there in industries they will use the hot water generators, means hot water generator. A basic example is a boiler. Okay, this hot water generator, maybe it's an electrical hot water generator, maybe it's a boiler. Different they will take the heating source. Heating concept is to heat the area. There we can maintain easily the temperature, the sufficient hot temperature and the sufficient humidity we can maintain. Okay, the second thing in HVAC, ventilation. For this ventilation purpose, what we require, ventilation means what? We have to change the air as per our requirement. Okay, some areas the air in, air out will be there. It has been designed also. In HVAC, the air in, air out concept also designed, because this air changes per hour is the one of the main thing for pharma industries and some malls and some closed rooms condition. There we require some air changes per hour. Otherwise, the inside air will create more suffocated for the people. Okay, otherwise in some machines also exhaust more fumes. That fumes also need to be exhaust. For the exhaust purpose, this ventilation requires some exhaust fans. Okay, exhaust fans. This exhaust fans is for domestical area or small applications. If you take in industries they require some air handling units. These kind of air handling units, there are some different types are there. Means exhaust units, fresh air supply units. Okay, there are different units are there in this AHUs. Okay, now we have seen that heating concept and ventilation. What are the components required? If you take an air conditioning, In air conditioning, what is meant by air conditioning? Conditioning means you are going to condition your air as a purity. Okay, I am going to condition my air means dusty air to high quality air without any dust. Okay, for that what we require means that also require these AHUs, air handling units required. These AHUs may be different categories are there, means general recirculation unit, fan coil units, fresh air handling units, like that different units are there, closed coil units. Okay, there are different it will come in a branch. Okay, I will explain while I am taking the class of AHU. Okay, for air conditioning these are the required. Nowadays this air conditioning we will talk with addition of refrigeration. Okay, air conditioning plus refrigeration, these two, because why means air condition means we are going to purify the air with the means of any filtration method, and this air conditioning means we are going to maintain the temperature of the air. Okay, to maintain the temperature of the air we require some refrigeration units. That refrigeration units means we require, refrigeration means it's a heat pump. We are going to pump the heat, whatever the waste heat is there in the rooms or in the workshops. I am going to remove that heat and I am going to exhaust it somewhere, or I am going to do some work with the waste heat. Okay, that is the concept of refrigeration. For this refrigeration we required chillers. For this refrigeration we require chillers. These chillers also may be water cooled chiller. Okay, air cooled. There are different types of chillers. It's a water cooled chillers or air cooled chillers. If we are using the water cooled chillers we require cooling towers, because these cooling towers will help to exhaust that waste heat from the chiller. It's a condenser unit. Okay, in a chiller system there are some different components, means evaporation, compressor is there, condenser is there, expander is there. In that condenser unit we require some cooling media. That cooling media comes from cooling towers. Okay, if you suppose using the air cooled, you don't require any cooling towers and all the thing. Only this unit is like our split AC, directly the outdoor unit what we are going to condense through the air. If we are using this water cooled, then we require cooling towers. Okay, these are all the main components for HVAC. Into the addition of these components we have included some ducts. Okay, once the air is cooled, here you see the air condition, the air is filtered, the air is cooled. How can I supply that air to the required area? I require ducts. These ducts will help to transfer the air from one place to another. Okay, I am going to condition the air in one certain area. From there, that conditioned air means low temperature air with high quality purified air, I am going to deliver to the particular area. For that, this ducting system is very important. We require some ducts. Okay, after ducts there are some diffusers. In these ducts there are diffusers. Okay, here some are like a heat control dampers. Okay, there are different types of ducts are there. There are different diffusers are there, different dampers are there. Okay, like VAV. And one more thing is VAV, variable air volume, VAV concepts. Okay, VAV. In the ducts only they will install these VAVs, variable air volumes. Okay, these are the main components for the HVAC. If you take this refrigeration, I talk about these chillers. These chillers means it's a industrial, it's totally an industrial purpose, water cooled or air cooled chillers. If you take some not domestical, it's a commercial like malls, it's commercial like office rooms. Okay, these kind of areas we don't require this much of water cooled or air cooled chillers. Generally they will install a VRV or VRFs. Okay, a small kind of VRV or VRF. It's a variable refrigerant volume, variable refrigerant flow refrigerators, not refrigerators, it's a air conditioning systems. Okay, for this they require this kind of components. Based on these components they will make the process. Okay, whatever the required process is there, they will make that, they will design that, and this design they will use it. Okay, I want to tell one more thing here. In this AHUs we required main thing is filters. Okay, I think it's little bit confused to you because my writing is not good. I will briefly explain. HVAC is the process for the purpose of to maintain the climate control. Who requires this climate control? For humans and objects. Objects means any machines, any meat or any vegetables or anything we have to maintain. Okay, what is the requirement for this human and object in material? Object means it's a material, you take as a material. Okay, what required for the humans? Human required some clean air systems, some temperature, low temperature air system to become a comfort, low RH. For these objects we have to store it because to increase their life. Okay, for this purpose we require this many of components to drive this HVAC system. Based on these systems, these components, it will vary. I want only this air conditioning system means I will cover on these areas. I want this ventilation areas means I require this AHU with exhaust systems and supply air systems. I want this heating means I have to cover these heaters and hot water system. This is the basics understanding of HVAC. Later on I will explain about the heating concepts. Okay, basic HVAC concepts. That concept is on operation, condensation and relative humidity control and basic temperature dew points. Okay, this I am going to discuss because these are the main thing required for HVAC. For this purpose only the HVAC is there in the industries and the domestical purposes. I hope this video will helpful for you. If you like my content, if you like my topic, if you like my teaching skill, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubts please write it in the comment box, and please share my video. This will helpful for others. Okay, thank you all. Bye.